Welcome to the first episode of Pajama Gaelic, and I'm calling it that because it's Sunday, and personally I do not believe in putting clothes on a Sunday. I stay in my pajamas all day, and I'm going to endeavor to put up a little video every Sunday teaching you a phrase in Scottish Gaelic, which is my favorite language. And I think I'll start by explaining the difference between the pronunciation of the language in the language. So a lot of people ask me, is it Scottish Gaelic or Gaelic? And the answer is it's a little bit like the difference between saying Spanish or Espanol or Italian or Italiano. And when you're speaking the language, you want to pronounce it Gaelic. But if you're speaking English, it's perfectly fine to say Scottish Gaelic. But in the language, it is Gaelic. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to ask someone how they are. And to do so, you would simply ask them, Ciamar a how, so that's Ciamar a how, believe it or not. And if you're responding in the affirmative, you would say ha me, or I am. And in this instance, I would say leishc an Jew, so leishc an Jew, which means lazy today, because I am. So to recap, to ask someone how they are, you say Ciamar a how. And then the response, if affirmative, would be ha me, and I would say leishc an Jew, or lazy today. So that is your very first lesson with Pajama Gaelic, and I will be back next Sunday to teach you a new phrase. Thanks for listening. Cheery. Bye.